Soft, buttery, loaded with garlic and melty cheese, this homemade garlic bread is dangerously delicious. Let's make it. Start with 1 cup of all-purpose flour in a mixing bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of yeast, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Give everything a really good mix so the yeast, sugar, and salt are evenly distributed through the flour. And now we're ready to turn these simple ingredients into a beautiful, soft dough. Take 110 milliliters of lukewarm milk and start adding it gradually. Make sure your milk is just comfortably warm, not too hot, because very hot milk can affect the yeast. Keep mixing as you pour, and once the dough starts coming together, add 2 tablespoons of butter. Now get in there with your hands and start kneading. At first, the dough might look a little rough or sticky, but don't worry. As we continue kneading, you'll see the texture completely change. Knead the dough for around 5 to 7 minutes. You're looking for a dough that feels soft, smooth, and elastic. Try not to add too much extra flour while kneading. Keeping the dough nice and soft is one of the secrets to getting that fluffy bread texture after baking. Once it looks smooth like this, shape it into a ball. Lightly brush the dough with some butter, cover the bowl, and let it rest for around 30 to 40 minutes. This is where the yeast gets to work. The dough will become softer, lighter, and beautifully puffy. Once the dough has finished resting, take it out and lightly dust your work surface with flour. Gently roll the dough out into a nice round shape. You don't want to make it extremely thin. We still want enough thickness for the bread to become soft and fluffy on the inside. Carefully transfer it to your pizza pan and adjust the edges if needed to give it a nice round shape. And while that's happening, we can get our garlic butter mixture ready. Into a small bowl, add 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic and 1 tablespoon of parsley. Next, add 1 tablespoon of yogurt and 1 tablespoon of softened butter. For a little heat, add a 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes, followed by a 1/4 teaspoon of oregano and some pepper powder according to your taste. Now mix everything together really well. Just look at that creamy garlic butter. The combination of garlic, butter, herbs, and chili is going to give our bread so much flavor. And if you're a serious garlic lover, this is definitely the part that will make you hungry. Now comes my favorite part. Take that delicious garlic butter mixture and spread it all over the dough, going right up to the edges. Make sure every section gets some of that buttery garlic goodness. Next, cut or score the dough into portions. If you enjoyed this recipe, give the video a like, subscribe for more easy homemade recipes, and tell me in the comments, are you adding extra cheese or extra garlic? And of course, garlic bread needs cheese. Add a generous layer of mozzarella cheese over the top. When this melts in the oven, we're gonna get that beautiful cheesy pull. Finish with sliced black olives scattered all over. At this point, it already looks tempting, and we haven't even baked it yet. Now it's ready for the oven. Bake the garlic bread in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 10 to 15 minutes. And here it is, our homemade garlic bread, fresh from the oven. The top is cheesy and buttery, the edges are beautifully baked, and inside, it's wonderfully soft and fluffy. Slice it while it's still warm and look at that melted mozzarella. Serve it hot on its own, with your favorite dip, or alongside pasta or soup. If you enjoyed this recipe, give the video a like, subscribe for more easy homemade recipes,